The top 5 discoveries of July 2025. The month of July 2025 delivered a wave of scientific and astronomical revelations, each one rewriting parts of what we thought we knew about the universe, the Earth beneath us, and even our ancient past. Let's explore 5 of the most remarkable discoveries that stunned researchers and excited global audiences this month. 1. 3I/ATLAS. A new interstellar visitor. In early July, astronomers confirmed the detection of a mysterious object passing through our solar system, and it's not from around here. Named 3I/ATLAS, this is only the third known interstellar object ever recorded, following 1I/OUMUAMUA in 2017 and 2I/BORISOV in 2019. What sets 3I/ATLAS apart is that it's moving faster and has a highly unpredictable trajectory, suggesting a different origin than its predecessors. Spectroscopic analysis showed that its surface reflects light in patterns never seen in asteroids or comets from our solar system. Some scientists believe this may indicate unique mineral compositions formed under exotic stellar environments or different radiation exposures, possibly near a white dwarf or neutron star. Its rotational wobble and irregular shape indicate it's a fragmented body, likely the result of a violent cosmic event. The most captivating theory? It could be debris from a planetary collision in another star system, giving us a literal fragment of another world. Observatories across the globe are racing to study it before it slingshots out of our system forever. 2. Record-breaking black hole merger. The cosmos made headlines as LIGO and Virgo detected the largest black hole merger ever recorded. 2 black holes, each over 50 solar masses, collided at near light speed, producing powerful gravitational waves. The signal was unusually clear, allowing physicists to stress test Einstein's general relativity in extreme conditions. What shocked scientists most was the final black hole's spin and tilt. It didn't match any existing formation models, suggesting a chaotic birth environment. The energy released in under a second briefly outshined every star in the observable universe. Experts now think such giant collisions may have been far more common in the early universe, deeply influencing the way galaxies formed. 3.86 thousand earthquakes beneath Yellowstone National Park experienced an unprecedented seismic surge, over 86,000 micro-earthquakes in a single month. Most were deep, clustered swarms near geothermal features. Scientists believe superheated underground fluids and shifting magma are responsible. Though not a sign of imminent eruption, it underscores the complexity beneath the surface. Alongside this activity, researchers discovered new horizontal magma reservoirs, adding a new layer to our understanding of the Yellowstone caldera. This discovery could reshape supervolcano monitoring models. Instead of waking up, Yellowstone appears to be undergoing deep structural reorganization, making it an even more crucial site for volcanic and geothermal research. 4. Earth's shortest day in decades. On July 16, 2025, Earth completed its rotation slightly faster than usual, 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4.39 seconds, making it the shortest day in over 40 years. The difference was just milliseconds, but the implications are massive. Scientists are investigating causes like the Chandler wobble, fluid dynamics in Earth's core, and even ice melt redistributing planetary mass. These factors may be subtly accelerating Earth's spin. If this trend holds, we might soon need a negative leap second to realign atomic clocks, something never done before. This discovery challenges assumptions about rotational stability and could affect everything from satellites to global timekeeping systems. 5th Bronze Age warrior tomb in Azerbaijan. Archaeologists in Azerbaijan unearthed a 3,000-year-old Bronze Age warrior's tomb that has stunned the global archaeological community. Discovered in the Talish Mountains, the tomb contained a remarkably well-preserved skeleton, surrounded by weapons, tools, animal remains, and ornate ceramics, all dating back to the 13th century BCE. Forensic analysis revealed that the man buried here was not only a warrior, but likely a community leader or tribal chief. His femur bore signs of healed battle wounds, and carbon dating placed the burial during a turbulent period of regional power struggles. The tomb was sealed with large stone slabs and coated with a primitive tar compound, suggesting ritualistic preservation techniques. What's even more fascinating is the DNA evidence. Early tests show possible links between this ancient individual and modern populations in the Caucasus region, providing new insights into the genetic continuity of Eurasian steppe societies. This discovery is reshaping our understanding of Bronze Age civilizations in the South Caucasus. It confirms the existence of warrior-led clans with complex burial practices and suggests an advanced level of social organization and warfare technology in what was previously considered a peripheral area of early Eurasian history. July 2025 didn't just offer a few headlines, it opened new frontiers. From interstellar messengers and seismic mysteries to ancient warriors and time-bending physics, each of these discoveries deepens our understanding of the world and universe we live in. Whether we're looking billions of light years away or digging beneath our feet, the message is clear: discovery never stops.